Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing slow mobile data speeds, follow these step-by-step instructions to diagnose and fix the problem. Step 1. Test your actual data speeds using apps like Speedtest or Fast.com. Run multiple tests at different times and locations to identify whether slowness is consistent. Step 2. Check if you've exceeded your data limit or deprioritization threshold. Most unlimited plans slow speeds after 50 to 100 gigabytes of usage during network congestion. Step 3. Toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your cellular connection. This simple step often resolves temporary slowdowns by reconnecting to the strongest available tower. Step 4. Restart your phone completely to clear cached data and refresh network settings. Power off the device, wait 30 seconds, and power back on. Step 5. Check for carrier settings updates in your phone's settings menu. Carriers push updates that optimize network performance and must be manually installed. Step 6. Reset network settings if problems persist after basic troubleshooting. This clears corrupted settings but also removes saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. Step 7. Verify your APN settings are correct for your carrier. Incorrect access point names prevent proper data connections and limit speeds significantly. Step 8. Contact your carrier if none of these steps resolve the issue. Network problems, tower maintenance, or account issues may require carrier intervention to fix. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.